2. Hello everyone. Wish you all happy in learning English. Let's memorize and practice the past tense forms of these irregular verbs. For example, I bought, leave, left, take, took. Catch, caught, lose, lost, teach, taught. Do, did, make, made, think, thought. Fight, fought, ring, rang, understand, understood. Let's supply the correct past tense form of the irregular verbs in parentheses. 8. The telephone rang twice, but no one answered it. 9. Mr. Hunsen sent their 3 children to summer camp. 10. Mr. Hunmane think about his troubles continuously. 11. Last year, Professor Korn teach us both English and mathematics. 12. They buy the property in 1980 and sell it in 1993. 13. Mika keep part of the money and give the rest to his 2 brothers. 14. The police do their best but never catch the real bank robbers. Corn. Do you know the answers above? Let's try together shortly below. 8. The telephone rang twice. 9. Mr. Hunsen sent their 3 children. 10. Mr. Hunmane thought about. 11. Last year, Professor Korn taught us. 12. They bought the property and sold it. 13. Mika kept and gave. 14. The police did but never caught. Happy and fun in English.